Mousse wash day, wash day, wash day. Right there. You can see the Shea Moistures conditioner and shampoo. That's what we use today on wash day. I feel like I look like that wildebeest right there. And we did our 2-strand twist with this. So you can hear the kids. And I said this is my first video I'm going to do, not a voiceover, I'm going to do talking. And it's all types of stuff. But before we get in the pool, I thought I'd take my hair out because we might lose all this. So we put foam on each 2-strand twist and twisted her up. And we slept in it. And we're going to quickly spray, quickly. Check out our video. We made some magic oil. You'll see it shortly. Welcome to Miss Carter's family. Welcome. See? That's why we do voiceovers. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. And thank you for subscribing. All right. So we're going to do this together. A real twist out with foam. I'm going to just reverse the twist with you like this. Reverse the twist with you like this. There's a child in every corner. Otherwise, it won't get done. Ooh. You want to just reverse your curl, pull it apart. I tried not to do any co-borrowing. I tried to do real clean. My girlfriend, one of the subscribers said, do it in the shower while your hair is real wet. So I did not dry my hair all the way, but I used the Doux while it was very, very wet. And we just 2-strand twisted to the best of our ability.
Yes, I got the pirate hat. Good job. Yeah, it's cool. And now I got it like you. You got the popsicle too. You have to get the shirt and the skin. Okay. What did he say?
Who? Later? I don't know.
You have to get the shirt and the skin. Oh, okay. I'll get the shirt and the skin.
This video is dedicated to ASMR Mimi Tranquility. Mimi ASMR Tranquility? ASMR Mimi. M-I-M-I Tranquility. Get by her channel. She's one of my biggest subscribers, biggest supporters. Thank you for telling me about it. I'll say right now, they look amazing. These are so dull, and that color is hideous. Oh, but the coil looks so good. I'm finally pleased with my 2-strand coils. This is a much easier method than the 2-strand twist. I'm sorry, than the 2-strand flat twist. I'm not turning around. I'm not.
I don't
I will tell you with the Doux, it was very sticky. Very sticky. But with this concoction, I feel like I've got the moisture in it that I need. The Doux did not dry it out. Thank you, Jesus. And I guess we'll lift it, style it, and you'll see it.
And this little guy,
I don't know. I might want to let these coils last a while. I don't necessarily want to pick them out just yet. Some important things to remember when you do your 2-strand twist. Coil your end. Make sure your ends are trimmed. Now there's not a lot of split ends, or you'll see the effects of that. Try not to go co-borrow. And Doux, I'll say this was a better experience than the gel, which is what ASMR Tranquility said. They're known for the foam mousse. So I do what my subscribers tell me to do. You hear the crowd? The crowd say, I like it, I like it. It ain't pretty, but it will be when I style it. That's a fat one. We may retwist that one. But other than that, I'm very pleased with the 2-strand twist out, not flat twist. Very pleased with the Doux. And here we are, all styled up for you. Still rhyming. Here we are. What? Ready? We'll get it styled for you. Yes. We untwisted. I saved one for you so we can show how we just simply pulled apart and let the hair fall. And here's one that we need to untwist. I left just for you. I'm looking for scissors because there's a couple of dead ends I want to cut off. I am more pleased with this twist out than I am the flat. But I think right now my go-to for wash day is this Doux and this keratin black seed oil hair mask that I found at Ross. Really made a difference after we shampooed with the Shea Moistures. Some of y'all have that kind of hair where you can slick down your edges. It doesn't make a hill of beans on my hair. So we're not even gonna do that today. We're just pleased with my twist out. And you saw my video on my 20-minute nighttime routine and the hemp oil avocado body butter that I use. And August 1st is National Co-Wash Day. I created it. If there's a National Co-Wash Day out there, let me know. But that is National Co-Wash Day. And I want all of you to leave it on my community post, your wash and go day routine. You guys, see my community post. I'm so excited about my hair that I can actually say, I love my good hair. Thank you. And YouTubers, this is because of you guys and us learning together that we're figuring out techniques and products to help your hair. So we've got a ways to go. We're going to keep finding new products to help on this journey. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And this is my first 2-strand twist out using a mousse. And I've never been more pleased. Don't forget, August 1st, I'm declaring National Co-Wash Day, and we're going to share our wash and go routines. And be sure to subscribe to my Instagram or Facebook, where we'll be sure to share each other's stories there. What else did I have to tell you? Because he's clearly distracting me. I wanted to see if we were supposed to lift this. You know, I don't know how to do this once we've got the 2-strand. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know we were supposed to lift it, separate it, fry it, pull it, dye it. But again, I just let the 2-strand twist come apart, and I think it's pretty exciting. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. And subscribe to Miss Carter's.